I'm Twilight, my bilingual life. I want to help you become bilingual. This is the vocabulary for Beginner's Spanish, Lesson 1. Please check the description in the video for more information. Quiero. I want. Quiero. I want. Quieres. You want. Quieres. You want. Un. A. Un. A. Una. A. Una. A. Uno. One. Uno. One. Dos. Two. Dos. Two. Tres. Three. Tres. Three. ¿Qué? What? ¿Qué? What? Comer. To eat. Comer. To eat. Sí. Yes. Sí. Yes. No. 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 Manzana. Apple. Manzana. Apple. Taco. 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 Hamburguesa. Hamburger. Hamburguesa. Hamburger. Pizza. 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 Plátano. Banana. Plátano. Banana. Arroz. Rice. Arroz. Rice. Pollo. Chicken. Pollo. Chicken. Dulce. Candy. Dulce. Candy. Chocolate. 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 Queso. Cheese. Queso. Cheese. Here are some sentences for this week. ¿Quieres comer? Do you want to eat? ¿Quieres comer? Do you want to eat? Quiero comer. I want to eat. Quiero comer. I want to eat. ¿Quieres pizza? Do you want pizza? ¿Quieres pizza? Do you want pizza? Sí, quiero pizza. Yes, I want pizza. Sí, quiero pizza. Yes, I want pizza. ¿Quieres tacos? Do you want tacos? ¿Quieres tacos? Do you want tacos? Sí, quiero dos tacos. Yes, I want two tacos. Sí, quiero dos tacos. Yes, I want 2 tacos. In our beginners class on Outschool, we have a secret word. One of the words that we learned in this lesson will be the secret word. The rest of the class, we work through different exercises, and the students earn clues to find letters in the secret word. There's some written homework that they can turn in to get an extra clue. If you have a student that is under 18 years of age, you can always check out my classes on Outschool to see if there's one that fits your child and your schedule. If you're not eligible to take classes on Outschool, you can access these lessons through my website. The link will be in the description. Students, make sure to finish your homework and turn it in so I can give you that extra clue. And if you think you know what the secret word is, make sure to send it to me in the Outschool classroom. Nos vemos. Adios.